Think about the mechanics of sending a text message. You form a complex, nuanced thought, but to share it, you have to break it down into a sequence of tiny thumb movements on a flat piece of glass. It is a physically demanding bottleneck, a detour from how human beings actually communicate. Many in the tech industry are betting on a transition towards frictionless, ambient interaction. The goal is to move technology into the background, creating a system that operates like the sci-fi concept of Jarvis, an assistant that surrounds you, rather than a device that demands you stare down at it. Of course, current voice assistants fall short of that ideal. If you've ever tried to interrupt a smart speaker or had it completely misunderstand a simple request, you know that these tools still feel robotic and isolated from the flow of real conversation. Moving beyond the screen requires more than a single update. To make voice a primary interface, the industry must first solve three distinct engineering roadblocks. The first hurdle is foundational software. Before a user will naturally trust an ambient assistant, the system must eliminate lag and replicate the subtle shifts of human intonation. The latest models are achieving this by moving past simple word-for-word translation. They now track contextual clues to transfer the exact energy and emotion of a sentence from one language to another. We are seeing this applied in high-stakes environments. 11 Labs recently dubbed a nuanced, hours-long conversation between Lex Fridman and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, preserving the specific cadence of both speakers. Mapping a smile or a laugh across languages is a staggering technical challenge. If an English speaker laughs mid-sentence, the AI must recreate that auditory texture in a language like German, where the verbs and nouns land in entirely different places. Crossing this valley requires the AI to recreate a speaker's precise emotional signature, shifting our perception of machine-generated audio from robotic to human. Even a perfect voice is limited without a memory. The second roadblock is knowledge access. An AI needs deep, real-time context to provide a service that goes beyond simple transcription. Consider an e-commerce platform like Meesho, which handles 60,000 customer support calls every day. In traditional systems, those callers are often forced to repeat account details or navigate rigid, reactive phone menus. An AI with integrated memory functions as a proactive concierge. It can instantly recall a user's sizing preferences, look up past purchase history, and cross-reference live inventory databases to suggest alternatives in a single conversation. Integrating the brain with the voice is what turns a transcription tool into a domain expert agent. The final roadblock is hardware. To replace the phone screen, the industry must find a device that can physically integrate this intelligence into our daily lives without being obtrusive. This has sparked an experimental hardware race. Diverse bets are being placed on everything from wearable pendants and smart glasses to early-stage neural interfaces. Behind-the-ear wearables offer a familiar, frictionless bridge to this environment. They leverage a form factor that is already socially acceptable while delivering a direct, private audio stream to the user. Some of these devices are now being designed to read subtle mouth movements. This allows a user to communicate with an AI without vocalizing aloud, making private interactions possible even in a crowded public space. When hardware disappears from our hands and blends into our surroundings, the interface barrier vanishes, merging digital capabilities with our physical space. When these three pillars align, a traveler could speak their native language and have it translated instantly for those around them. This level of interaction targets the practical removal of local language barriers for people moving around the world. This interface allows education to move toward one-on-one interaction. Software can adapt its delivery based on how a student responds, creating a personalized tutor for any subject. A student struggling with physics can engage in a back-and-forth dialogue with an AI modeled on Richard Feynman. The system adopts his specific teaching style, using his recorded lectures and notes to explain complex theories through conversational problem-solving. This shift will require a new balance. As AI handles our data retrieval and cognitive tasks with extreme efficiency, we will need to be intentional about carving out tech-free time for unplugged human socialization. Developing a transparent interface means our eyes and hands stay focused on our surroundings. Technology becomes an invisible layer, designed to let our daily interactions return to a more natural, human state.